What's happening, everybody? It's Chris with Lone Wolf DIY. Today, I'm going to be checking out my buddy Royce and see how he's doing down there in Arkansas. He's got that crappy, junky satellite connection. That's the best he can get out there because the ISP is a monopoly waste of time. So we're going to check in with him. We're going to check out his APs, check his cameras, and see how they're working out for him. He also picked up himself a really badass car I can't wait to take a closer look at. Me being a car guy, I asked him to send a video so I could share it with you guys too. So now that he's got some nice cameras in the backyard, he's able to be notified if somebody's back there goofing around and trying to steal something else from him. Okay, so without further ado, what is further ado? I don't know. Let's check in with Royce and see how he's doing. And make sure to come back and see me so you can see this fun epoxy sword I'm putting together. And I'm also heading out to Harbottle so I can show some other people how cool epoxy is and maybe have a drink or two. So let's check in with Royce and get this done. How's it going, Royce? What's up, man?
Good. How you doing today, Chris?
I'm doing all right. So you were telling me about the APs and being able to get a nice signal in the back of the warehouse there. How is that helping you out?
Well, I don't have to run up to the office every time I need to put an order in or get an order out. I can do it all on my phone back in the warehouse.
That's good.
Definitely much easier.
Yeah, for sure. So I saw you were hanging up all your cameras there. How are they working out? Are they running pretty smooth?
Oh, very good. I can look at it, log in at the house, and I can see what's going on here, running smooth. Everything looks good.
That's great. That's awesome. So have you had anybody try to steal that trailer? Because you said you had another trailer still in the back.
Not yet.
That's good. That's good.
If they do, I'll see them.
Yeah, for sure. It's nice to have that there. So it looks like you got your rally shirt on there. What's that all about?
We had it a couple weeks ago. We had about 30 dealers from across the country come in. We do some demonstrations. We have a cookout, drink a little beer. Everybody has a good time. We do it to show appreciation to the dealers, that are with us all year long.
That's awesome. That's very, very cool. So I'm sure it was really nice to have those APs up so they were all able to connect and get their business taken care of while they're out of town.
Absolutely. We didn't have any issues at all with them.
Cool, man. Well, can I take a look and see how they're set up in the shop there?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
All right. Very cool.
So here's the UDM Pro that we have hooked up, and of course the boxes from the cameras. We got the wires going up to the ceiling, and then they run through the ceiling. And then we got the camera here that just plugs into the wall, and there's no hardwire to that, so that works great. Then we come into the main office here, and I have an access point. This is where I do most of my work, so it works great there. I get very good reception. And then we come back to the warehouse. So this is our training room. So I got one of the access points right in the center of our training room. So when I have trainings in here, everybody can get on the network and they don't lose signal. And then I got a camera right here that hits all of my garage doors. There's about 6 garage doors here. Then we come back to the warehouse itself, and I got another access point, so right in the center of my warehouse. So what that does, it gives me good signal, and I can be on my phone doing whatever I need to be without running back to the office. And then we got another one that is our camera that covers the whole warehouse. And of course I got toys everywhere, but no, everything works very good with the access points and the cameras, and I'm happy to have them.
Is that a beer?
No.
I was gonna say I'm jealous. Anyway,
I got the phone, but I have not hooked it up yet. I don't have a number.
Oh, that's right. I forgot that you had that VoIP phone. Those VoIP phones are so cool, dude. Especially being out there in the sticks, you'd be able to just connect and be able to use the internet. I have that problem here in the middle of Tucson, as you saw. Like without the Ubiquity stuff, I have zero connection out here. That VoIP phone, dude, it'll really help you out. It's so nice when you're sitting there and you're on your phone. You can have all your cameras up on the screen, and there's all kinds of different functions. I don't even know all the stuff that you can do on there. But once you plug that in and you get it registered, it's gonna give you a phone number. and then it gives you a temporary trial, and then I think it's there's a subscription after that. Anyway, well, thanks, man. It's great catching up with you, and I'm glad everything's working out. Now you mentioned that you bought yourself a new toy. Can you take a nice video of it and share it with me?
Yeah, sure, I can do that.
What is it?
It's a 1973 RS Camaro. Has a 1995 LT1 engine in it. The suspension is all pro touring. It's lowered 2 inches. Needs a little bit of paint work done to it, but we're getting there. And here's a little picture of the inside. It's got a 4-speed Muncie in it. About a year from now, I should be done. And it should be a pretty sweet looking ride.
Holy shit. That is so awesome. So I wanted to ask you about that anyway. So what motor does it have in it?
It's a LT1 out of a 95 Corvette.
Oh, so it's actually like modded.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. That's like big time money you saved getting that stuff done.
It'll be a pro touring car once I'm done.
Yeah, it looks, I mean, it's close. I'm starting to put some money in the El Camino. It was like I tried to give it some gas, and it would like, you know, I'm sure you've had a motor before where you try to give it gas and it just chokes, like it just can't get going. It kind of stutters. Yeah. So I got myself a new Holley carburetor, and then Justin's gonna do the install for me. I just, one day, man, I want to have the big motor with the like blower sticking out of the front.
That's the dream.
Yeah. All right, man. Well, it was super great catching up with you. I'm glad that stuff's working out for you. And yeah, give us don't be a stranger. Well, I'll have to fly back there and get a beer.
There you go.
Anyway, all right, dude. I better let you get back at it. I'll see you later.
All right,
dude. Take it easy.
Bye.
In addition to that, I've got this really fun project I've been working on. I have no idea if it's going to go anywhere or if it's even going to be a success, but I'm giving it a shot. I've been doing some updated photos and videos and things like that, and hopefully I don't fail in the end, because how embarrassing is that? I'm like, hey guys, make sure to come back and check out this project, and then I fail. So if you guys happen to see me come out with a video, the next one, and it's not in there, this big giant epoxy sword thing I'm making, make sure to leave down in the comments that I suck and I don't live up to my promises. My kids wouldn't fail to do that. So I cannot wait to get out there this Saturday and hang out with the Harbottle guys and show some people some arts and crafts, and I can't wait to start doing some of these classes. I've never done this before. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, but who knows? Hopefully it doesn't suck. I'm gonna record it and see what happens. It's probably gonna be funny, it's probably gonna be humiliating, but that's why you guys come to the channel in the first place, right? So thanks for coming by, everybody, and have a nice day. Other than that, I appreciate you coming by, and have a nice day. Fucked up the back. I fucked it up. God damn it. God damn it. There's a wasp. So please like and subscribe.